Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss NTSC 2018 maths paper. So let's start now. Question number first is asked from sets. Okay, for this they use the theorem De Morgan theorem. A intersection B dash whole dash they ask. So first I will use the theorem. What will theorem say? Suppose if you have A intersection B whole dash, or that is equal to A dash intersection will change into union B dash. Okay, now we'll apply in this question A intersection B dash whole dash. That means A dash intersection will change into union B dash already you have and whole dash. According to theorem B dash आएगा तो here B dash whole dash. So it will give you A dash union B. Complement का complement. Sorry, here will come B only. A dash union B. So in option when you check A dash union B is option B is your answer. Next question. Question number second. Read the question. The supplementary angle of the complementary angle of angle having measure 23 has measure. Okay, students are getting confusion in this language, but easily we can understand that we have to find the supplementary angle of complementary angle of having 23. Suppose your theta is 23. Sorry, 23. Okay, then complementary angle of this complementary angle will be what? 90 minus 23 will give you 67. 67. Then after we have to find the supplementary of this 67. So supplementary angle, then angle of 67 is equal to 180 minus 67. This will give you 113 degree. That will be option C. I hope you understood this. Question number 3, very easy question, lollipop question. Width of the class. Width of the class, it's very simple to find. Upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit will be 60.5 given and lower limit is given minus 55.5. When you subtract both, you will get 5. So option B is your answer. Next question. Read the question. AD and B line segment are the altitudes of triangle ABC. So first we will draw triangle ABC. Then after AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, AD is altitude. Then B is also altitude. So B will be like this on AC. So give the name A, D and B, E. Here BC is given 16 centimeter. Okay, and CA is not given. You have to find AC or CA. Find. Clear? Or B is given. B is given 8. AD is given 6. Then how to find? We know that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay, in different way. 1 by 2 base into height. If you taking base BC, height will be AD. Okay, if you are taking area will be equal if you find in this way or that way. 1 by 2 base AC, then height will be, this is perpendicular given or here it is, so BE, then put the value. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel. BC is given 16 into AD is given 6 is equal to AC given, you have to find AC into BE is given 8. So 8 से this cancel 2. 6 into 2 12 centimeter is equal to AC. Your answer is option A. One factor of the polynomial is given, we have to find another factor. So it's for this it's simple method, long division. Okay, or you can check from option also, but one you divide if you are getting remainder then only. So better do long division. X plus 3 as it is, or here x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 18. Log division will take mostly half minute only. when you divide x cube by x, so first term will be x square, so multiply x cube plus 3x square, subtract minus minus, so this cancel, x square minus 3x minus 18 remaining term, again divide, so plus x, multiply x square plus 3x only, so minus minus, this cancel, minus minus 6x minus 18. Okay, then after it's divisible by, when you divide this, so you will get minus 6, minus 6 into this, minus 6x minus 18, or sign change or subtract, plus plus this or this cancel, remainder is coming, means 0, means completely divisible. So second factor is coming x square plus x minus 6, x square plus x minus 6, option C is your answer. Everyone can solve this question easily. Question number 6. If GCD of two number is given and the product is given, of product of two number is also given, GCD means SCF, that is given 8, and product means two number A cross B is equal to given 3, 8, 4. You have to find LCM. So simple formula, LCM of A comma B into SCF of A comma B is equal to A into B. So we'll put the value LCM we have to find into SCF given 8, it equal to 384. So LCM is equal to 384 by 8. You can simplify, 8 4s are 32, then 6 will remain, 8 8s are 60, 8 8s are 64. So answer will be coming 48, option D. Sum of the zeros of given polynomial, question number 7. Sum of the zeros of given polynomial. Sum, if alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so minus as it is, b will be 5 upon a will be 3. So minus 5 by 3, option D is your answer. In this question, if in a two-digit number is given, that means any two-digit number is written as in which way, 10x plus y unit digit plus 10 digits. Suppose the number is like that, 3 digit x y z, how to write? Z unit digit plus 10y plus 100x. Clear? So here also they are saying what number is like that, unit digit is y or 10 digit will be 7. So how to write this? 70 plus y, or you can write first step by step, y plus 10 digit means 7 into 10, that means 70 plus y is your answer. 70 plus y, option C, y plus 70 also you can write. This question is asked from similar triangle. Triangle ABC and DEF are similar, then which is not true? If two triangles are similar, so how to write the ratio? First two. See here, triangle ABC given and triangle DEF. So first two side, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Clear? Then third one will be AC upon DF. Okay, this we have to check. So first option, BC upon DF, BC upon DF, AC upon, again starting question number 9. Triangle ABC and DEFD are similar. Triangle ABC similar, triangle EFD. So similarity criteria we can write in this way, AB first two side of this triangle upon EF is equal to BC, okay, upon FD or DF you can write. Okay, third one AC upon DE you can write. So check first, BC upon DF, BC upon DF या FD correct है, AC upon DE तो option ये given है. Then AB upon DE, AB upon DE not given, क्योंकि when you transfer this side तो भी AB और DE multiply में आएगा, BC upon FD, तो option B is not coming. AB upon EF coming, AC upon DE coming, okay, BC upon DF coming, AB upon EF coming. So your answer is option B is incorrect. Okay, understood? Next. Question number 10. Triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree given. Angle B equal to given 90 degree. Then they are saying AB equal to BC. AB और BC equal है और ये 90 है तो this will be 45 degree and this will be 45 degree. Then they are asked ratio of AB upon AC. AB upon AC. AB upon AC क्या होता है? या तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगा लो, नहीं तो फिर सीधा सा AB मतलब परपेंडिकुलर, AC means hypotenuse. That means sin theta और साइन सी के लिए लिख सकते हैं. इफ यू आर टेकिंग साइन सी के लिए दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. सो साइन 45 इज इक्वल टू ए बी अपॉन ए सी. ओके, साइन 45 मीन्स 1/√2 ए बी अपॉन ए सी. सो योर आंसर इज 1/√2 ऑप्शन सी. Question number 11. Here it is given diagonal of a square is given the length of the side of a square. If so many students remember this, diagonal of a square will be what? a√2 or that is given, I will write in proper way. Diagonal of a square is equal to a√2 or this is given 5√2 equal to a√2 √2 cancel, a equal to 5. Or those who don't remember the diagonal of a square, they have to simply draw the square, any kind of square whose side is a, or take any x also, a and a. So this will be the diagonal and this is Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, when you solve a square plus a square, you will get √2a. So put here. Understood? Very good. The foot of the perpendicular from point P to y-axis is M. Coordinate of M you have to find. So for this, first draw the diagram. This is a Cartesian plane. Plot the number -1, -2, -3. Then 1, 2 on x-axis. Then draw the point -3, 2. Plot the point -3, 2. Join the line from x-axis and y-axis. Okay, you have to find on y-axis. On y-axis, this is the point. On y-axis, this is the point, or coordinate of this point M. This point M will be 0, 2. 0, 2. So your answer is B. Option B. Question number 13. Trigonometry. It is given tan 5 theta, tan 5 theta dot tan 4 theta equal to 1. So you can write tan 5 theta is equal to 1 upon tan 4 theta. That means tan 5 theta is equal to cot 4 theta. Now we know that tan or 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. We are going to use this property. Now cot theta means we can write tan 90 minus 4 theta. Is tan 90 minus 4 theta means cot 4 theta only, tan 5 theta. Now compare the angle. When we compare the angle, 5 theta is equal to 90 minus 4 theta. Transfer this side, 9 theta is equal to 90. Theta equal to 10 degree. You have to find theta. Option C is your answer. Question number 14. This one is the tricky question from trigonometry. Okay, so here it is given first triangle, right triangle ABC. Right angle is where it is not given, so we'll let any one will be the right angle. Okay, so I'm letting A, B as a right angle. So B is 90 degree. So you have to find sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C. So this we have to find sine square A plus sine square C plus sine square B. I am writing sine square 90. Sine 90 is 1. So sine square A plus sine square C plus 1. Then after I am coming here, A plus B plus C equal to 180 here. Then A plus C equal to 180 minus 90. Why 90? Because this angle B is 90 degree. So a plus c is coming 90. Then a equal to, you can write 90 minus c. If I will take sine theta here, sine a is equal to sine 90 minus c. Sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta. So this will come sine a equal to cos c. If suppose this is not c, this is 1, equation 1. Put in equation 1. Put in 1. So when you put here sine square a means cos square c plus sine square c plus 1. So this is 1 plus 1 will be 2 is your answer, option A. Understood? Very easy question. A chord of center 0, 5. So this is 0, 5 center. Whose not center, O is center, name of center is O and radius will be 5. So R1 equal to 5. Then second radius, second circle, center is O, same center, but radius is 3, means concentric circle. Okay, then you have to find length of chord. Length of chord means AC we have to find. So in triangle AOM, when we apply Pythagoras theorem, why? Because it is 90-degree perpendicular. So AO square is equal to AM square plus OM square. AO square 5 square is equal to AM square. You have to find AM square plus OM means 3 square. Transfer this side to 25 minus 9 is equal to AM square. 25 minus 9, 16 equal to AM square means AM is equal to plus 4. So AM is equal to plus 4. AC is equal to 2 AM, because perpendicular divide the chord into two parts. So 2 into 4. Your answer will be 8 centimeters. Unit is not given. So 8, option A is your answer. Probability question. Question number 16. A card is selected at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The probability that the selected card is not an ace. Okay. Suppose probability of getting ace. So first find out total number of ace in a card will be 4. Okay, so probability of getting an S is equal to 4 by 52. That means 1 by 13. Probability of not getting an S, ACE, we can write dash, is equal to 1 minus 1 by 13. So it will be 12 by 13. Or directly you can, if 4 card is S, so not 42 card is not an S, so 48 upon 52 also you can write down, or you can cancel out by 4. It will be 14, 12 by 13 is your answer. Two balanced dice are thrown once. Balance means normal dice. The probability of getting sum of number is divisible by 5. Okay, so it's simple ki whenever we are finding the sum, so maximum sum will come 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So here number divisible by 5 will be 5 and 10 only. So when 5 is the sum, then it will be what? 4, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3. And when sum is 10, then it will be what? 5, 5, okay, then 6, 4 and 4, 6. These are all possibilities. So probability of this event will be what? Favorable outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 upon total outcome 36. Option D is your answer. Total outcome, because 2 dice are thrown, 6 into 6, 36 will be the total outcome. Here it is given x equal to root 3 and x equal to minus root 3 are zeros. Then x minus root 3 and x plus root 3 are factors. When you multiply x minus root 3 and x plus root 3, this will give you x square minus 3. X square minus 3 will be your given polynomial. So is not the factor of px. So x square minus 3 is our given polynomial. So this is not factor. So this is your answer. Otherwise they all are factor. When you put this equal to 0, so you will get x equal to minus root 3. When you put this equal to 0, so x equal to plus root 3. When you put this equal to 0, so x equal to plus minus root 3 you will get. So this is the polynomial. This is not factor. Okay. Question number 19. Express the equation in standard form. Standard form means y equal to mx plus c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So simply we will take the LCM. 2 by 3x plus 3 by 2y minus 5 or equal to 5. When you take LCM it will be 6. 3 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 9y, 3 into 3 9 is equal to 5. So this will give you 4x plus 9y is equal to 30, means 4x plus 9y minus 30 equal to 0. So this type of answer, option D is your answer. Last question of this paper, 317 upon 3125 is terminating, non-terminating, recurring, or this. For this we have the simple rule: any number upon you have 2 power m 5 power n, or a upon only 5 power n, or a upon only 2 power n, then the numbers are terminating. If you observe or if you remember 317, or meaning of this will be 5 power 5. That means yes, this is terminating decimal number. So option A is your correct answer. I hope you understood all this question. You can, if you have any doubt, you can comment me, message me, or you can share this video with your friend also. So thank you, bye bye, tata.